In the meantime, the Office of the Prime Minister issued a video statement from Prime Minister Andrew Holness following the Senate vote. The Prime Minister says he is not surprised.
I've just received a very disappointing news that the opposition senators could not find it in themselves to support a measure that would save Jamaican lives. I must say, however, that I'm not surprised. The opposition had given signs, indicated that regardless of whatever convincing arguments we would provide, they would not support the state of public emergency. There is no question whatsoever of the effectiveness of the tool. Contrary to what they have tried to position in the minds of Jamaicans, the state of public emergency is constitutional and no court has ruled otherwise. And therefore, the tool is lawful and it is effective. Nothing else should really matter other than those two critical points.
Mr. Holness also responded to claims by the opposition that they were not consulted, and again questioned their motive.
I have to now be thinking in my mind, do we have an opposition that will cooperate to conquer this crime problem that we have? Do we have an opposition that really and truly has the interest of Jamaica at heart? Or is it the case that their interest is to see the crime monster get out of control for them to reap the political benefit? These are valid questions that the Jamaican people must ask.